What is going on, everybody? Ben back again, the Lone Ranger, for another reaction. So right now we're checking out some more Sleep Token off of the Take Me Back to Eden album, this song being Rain. So we just got done checking out the Apparition, Ascensionism, and Are You Really Okay? So we're on to the next with Rain. Like I said, I am done fucking guessing with which direction we're going to be going. We're just going to jump right into it. It's time to get hype again. Let's get it. This is Rain by Sleep Token. All right, welcome back, everybody. This is Rain by Sleep Token. Let's get it.
For so long I have waited.
Whoa.
So long that I almost became just a stoic statue fit for nobody. And I don't wanna get in your way, but I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over the moment you smiled at me.
Ooh, some good vocal fucking demonstrations there. All right.
And just like the rain, you cast the dust into nothing.
Ooh.
I wash out the soul from my head.
We getting slow sexy.
So touch me again. I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure? It's that chemical cup that I can get down with, up like the moon and out like the hounds. A dangerous disposition, somehow refracted in light, reflected in sound. I'm coiled up like a venomous serpent, tangled in your trance, and I'm certain you have got your hooks.
Never mind, we're getting sexy hype.
I know the way that it goes. You get what you give, you reap what you sow, and I can see you in my fate. And I know I am what I am, the mouth of the wolf, the eyes of the lamb. So darling, will you saturate?
This is fucking awesome.
Just like the rain, you cast the
Ooh.
dust into nothing, and wash out the salt from my head. So touch me again. I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure? Nobody can say for
Okay.
certain
Are we gonna go into something nuts?
if maybe it's all just a game. When I open my
Nope,
eyes
still
to
low,
the
still low.
future, I can
Ooh, is that a seashore in the background?
say my
That's right.
name. So rain down on me.
Oh.
Rain down on me.
I'm over here guessing when I said I was done. Can't help it.
Rain down on me. Rain down on me. Rain down on me.
Shit. Is this the outro? It is. And I dig that that really sounded almost like recorded live, almost. Okay. So that was fun. Okay, so that was Sleep Token, Rain. So that was definitely much needed after that emotional stampede that I went through with the last song. Um, that one was fun. Now that one felt really like epic Sleep Token, but that also sounded like it could fit in like an epic movie trailer for like some kind of crazy shit. Like that sounded like a movie trailer song 100%, and I could see that happening like sooner rather than later. Um it, again, it sounded great. It sounded like, a song that could be on the radio. It's a really, really good, like, catchy, feel good song. I wouldn't really say like background noise or anything like that, but definitely a good song to just kind of vibe and just drive to. It kind of falls in like the same kind of vein as Alkaline for me. It has that same kind of just kind of progressive feeling. Really, really dug that. That was really, really fun. Again, sounded like classic Sleep Token with all of their, quirks and every kind of thing that they throw into the mix, so to speak. Really, really fun. Dig that. Out of the entire album, that probably would be, and again, I don't say this in a bad way because the album itself is a complete fucking masterpiece, and I'd be lying, and anybody that says any otherwise is fucking lying as well. It's a masterpiece album, but this one would probably be towards the bottom for me. But still a song that I could listen to repeatedly. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like the song, the link to the original video will be in the description box down below. If you guys like this content, me reacting to said video, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the post bell notification to be notified when another upload gets uploaded. And like always, be safe, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.